so it rained last night, so there's water. We don't like rollerblading when there's water. It makes the sidewalks too slick.
So we're gonna go for a bike ride
Instead.
See how that works.
Yep. So we rented bikes here at Bikes. It was 250 pesos for 5 hours, which we won't be that long, but we're gonna try and get to Olas Altas and have some breakfast.
Let's go.
You're all right. Me neither. Heading to Olas Altas for breakfast. La Fondas. How's your bike ride?
Hot and sweaty. Very, very sweaty right now. I'm dripping.
So it was a decent bike ride. Shoot, we didn't keep track of the time, did we? Okay, so that took us 45 minutes to get from, well, over there by about Valentinos to Olas Altas. My bike skips gears quite frequently. It's low geared, so it's kind of hard to pedal, but it got us here. So an omelet, they give us bread, they give us tortillas, we got coffee, she got the
I don't know.
huevos rancheros.
Yeah, but it is extremely flavorful. So good.
All right, well, breakfast was good. Looks like it rained
Di-di-da-da-da.
a little bit. We might get rained on.
I wouldn't mind if it started to rain a little bit. Right? Cool us off a bit.
Yeah. Okay, well, here we go. Back to over by the stadium. I want to maybe check out the